Hello students, in previous part we have discussed about pedigree analysis and there are some symbols which we can represent the pedigree chart. Pedigree analysis means it is the analysis by which we can trace the inheritance abnormalities in a family for many generations. In this part we will discuss an example of pedigree to make the genotype of pedigree chart and some disorders. For example, in example pedigree chart, how we can generate genotype of a pedigree chart. A female, albino female means fair white color. Albino female marries with a intermediate color of a male. N albino female marries with a intermediate color man. They have three children. Two girls and one daughter. Two girls and one son. Or you can say that two daughters and one son. Or two girls or one boy. The first girl of this progeny marries with another intermediate color man. Then they got albino son. Make the genotype pedigree chart of this family. The girl marries with intermediate color man and they got albino son. Draw the pedigree chart of genotype. Make the pedigree chart of the genotype of this family. Clear? Color. We know that color there is different, so it is based on polygenic, as we have discussed already. Fair color, bright fair, black, intermediate, which contain polygenic, means there are three pairs of genes present. Color is based on polygenic. It contains three genes. As we know that normally there are pair of genes present, but in some exceptional case, such like as color of human body, height of human body, this is based on polygenic. It means it contains three genes. So it is known as polygenic, and these three genes are both capital A because genes are present in pair. So one A, second B, and B is also pair, and third one is C. C is also pair. If this type of genotype is represented, that may be the color of the man will be black, or you can say that negro. And intermediate means out of 6, 3 are capital and 3 are small. 1 capital, 1 small, 1 capital, 1 small, and 1 capital, 1 small. This is the color of intermediate male or female. That is this is intermediate color. Then how we can represent the albino color? Albino is white, fairly white, बिल्कुल pure white हो जिसको, तो जिसमें dominant है, dominant means capital letter से represent the dominant and dominant means the black color. If they are recessive means small letter, we can represent all the small. Both are capital A, so small a, both small b and both small c. this color may be produced albino, means very white, pure white. So the statement is an albino female marries with a intermediate color. Clear? If color are polygenic, but we cannot express in polygenic because it is very difficult. So we can take them only. A pair of capital A show the black color. One capital, one small, intermediate. Clear? And both are small a, that show the albino. Means white fair. Then we have to make the pedigree chart of this family. Female. Female is represented by a sphere or a circle. Albino female, it contains both small a, because albino is a white fair color. It marries with a man that has intermediate color, and man represented by a square. Intermediate, it means one capital A and one is small. Out from both the parent, they got three progeny. They got three progeny, three children, two girls and one boy. Girls represented by circle, two girls and one boy. Clear? We cannot represent its color. Firstly, we will according to the statement. Albino female marries with the intermediate color of man, and they got three children, two girls and one boy. This girl marries with intermediate color of man. Intermediate color of man. This girl marries with intermediate color of man. Then how they got a son of albino color. Albino means white fair color. They got a albino color male. Albino color male means it contains only both small a, because it is white in color. How the pedigree chart will be rewritten? Clear? First, from this one, the first one trait from the parent and one trait from the mother and one from the father. Maybe this girl is intermediate, one from father capital A and one from mother small a. Maybe intermediate, or the small a from mother and small a from father, then this is albino. Albino. Because the girl color is not given in the statement. According to the statement, the albino female marries with the intermediate color of man, and they got three children, two girls and one boy. We have represented the possibility of this female or a girl may be intermediate or the albino, because one trait from the mother and one from father. If small a and capital A, then the color of this girl may be intermediate. And if one trait from mother and one trait from father both are small a, then this color of the color of the girl may be albino. And this marries with, again, this girl marries with the intermediate color. It means the male of this husband of this girl is intermediate, one capital, one small, and they got albino son. How they got albino son means one trait small a from father, and maybe the mother may be intermediate or albino, the one from mother. So there is a possibility of the boy may be albino. Maybe next generation, only the statement is solved here. Maybe the next generation will be produced according to this statement is intermediate, one from father and one from mother, one from father and one from mother. Mother say small a, father say capital A. इस प्रकार क्या हो सकता है? Both are capital. Capital A means black color show the father and black color of mother, because mother is intermediate, maybe intermediate, capital A and capital A. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो सकता है? Intermediate. Next generation will be intermediate, or you can say that next offspring will be in intermediate, black, but the possibility of albino may be already present. So this type of question is solved according to the pedigree chart. Clear? Now, Mendelian disorders. we know that there are disorders. How the disorders can be produced? We know that in every organism, each and every characters or features may be controlled by gene, and if there is any disturbance occurred in gene as well as in chromosomes, then some disorder may be produced. So the disorder, according to your NCERT book, there is two types: Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Disorders. As we know that each and every feature of organism is under controlled by gene, maybe one gene or other, by one or other gene. Clear? And if there is any abnormalities, or you can say that mutation can take place, then there may be disorders produced. Clear? Types of disorders. Types of disorders. There are two types of disorders: Mendelian disorders and chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorder. Mendelian disorder. Why they are known as Mendelian disorder? Because according to Mendel, some disorder which transfer from one generation to next generation, so they follow the inheritance rule. So these are called Mendelian disorder. If there is any mutation may be caused in gene, then this mutation may be transferred from parental to the offspring, and so these are called Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders may be sex-linked or autosomal. Sex-linked is mainly recessive. There are some disorders according Mendelian. There are some Mendelian disorders such like as color blindness. Color blindness. A person is able to see the object, but there is some defectness may be produced during the while they seeing. They cannot differentiate between red or green color. So this type of disorder is called color blindness. This disorder is a recessive, means कैरियर हो सकते हैं, लेकिन ये रिसेसिव किसके? एक्स लिंक्ड. यू कैन से दैट एक्स लिंक्ड और सेक्स लिंक्ड. देयर आर two disorders which are sex linked. One is color blindness, but sex linked recessive. It means male is not carrier in sex linked. Female is carrier. It means female is carrier in this disorder. And second one is hemophilia. Hemophilia. This disorder is also recessive. और recessive कौन सा? X linked. And you can also say that sex linked. In sex or X linked, male never may be carrier. Female is carrier because in male there is only one X. Female it contains two X. One is affected and that is carrier. There are two disorders which may be sex linked. One is color blindness and other one is hemophilia. Both are X linked recessive disorders. Some other disorders which follow the Mendelian disorders such like as phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria. This is also a recessive. disorder, but it is autosomal. Autosomal. Sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. This disorder is also recessive autosomal. Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is also recessive autosomal. Thalassemia. Thalassemia. This is also recessive autosomal. But one more disorder which follow the Mendelian disorder is myotonic dystrophy. Myotonic dystrophy. This disorder is dominant but autosomal. Recessive means one is carrier. Dominant means either male or female is already affected. So these are the disorders which follow the Mendelian disorder. Why they are known as Mendelian disorder? Because in the genes may be defected, and these genes transfer from one generation to next generation, that may cause the disorder in the next progeny. So they are called Mendelian disorders. Chromosomal disorder, as we have already discussed in starting of the chapter, chromosomal disorder. It means the number of chromosomes may be exceed or reduce. The set number of chromosomes may be one reduce and one exceed. If one reduce, that is known as monosomy. We know that chromosome is also present in pair. Diploid cell होता है, two set में present होते हैं. One set of chromosome reduce हो जाता है, that is called monosomy, और one set किसी में other में exceed मतलब add हो जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं trisomy. Chromosomal disorder is mainly two types. Monosomy, it means 2n-1. One chromosome, one set of chromosome may be reduced. Or trisomy, it means one chromosome is added, 2n plus 1. Monosomy disorder, in this chapter we will discuss a disorder, Turner syndrome. Turner's syndrome. This disorder may be seen in female, where the one chromosome, we know that in human being there are 23 pairs of chromosome may be present. 23 out of 23, 22 pairs are autosomal, and one pair of chromosome sex chromosome, and female it contains XX. In place of XX it contains X node, yani one only X contained. There is one X is deleted, and so this is called Turner syndrome, or it is a type of monosomy. Same trisomy, it means one set of chromosome is added. There are two types of trisomy disorders, or there are two disorders of trisomy. Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome. Down syndrome. This disorder may be produced due to the increasement of one set of chromosome in 21st pair of chromosome. We know that in human being there are 23 pairs of chromosome. Out of 23, 22 are autosomal, one is sex chromosome. At the 21st pair of chromosome, if one set of chromosome is also added, then this type of disorder is known as Down syndrome. Here, 21st pair of chromosome. May gain one set of chromosome, and this type of disorder is known as Down syndrome. What are the features we will discuss later. And next one is Klinefelter's syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome, just like as in male, 23 pairs of chromosome, 22 pairs जो होते हैं कौन से होते हैं autosomes, and male contain XY. But one set of chromosome is added, then the male becomes XXY. It contains 47 number of chromosomes. 23 pairs means 46. और यहाँ पर क्रोमोसोम कितने होंगे 45 बिकॉज 1 इज लेस, यहाँ 47. So the male, this disorder may be produced in male and Turner syndrome may be produced in female. Female and male, this type of disorder are sterile. Clear? About this disease we will discuss in next part.